If you want to add an underline in Word without typing any text, this quick trick is super useful, especially when you need a blank line for a form, a signature space, or a clean fill-in area. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create that underline using just your keyboard. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the line to appear. This is important because Word will create the underline right from that cursor position. Now, on your keyboard, press Shift and the hyphen key, which is the little dash next to 0, repeatedly. Keep pressing it until you've made the line as long as you want. You're basically typing a row of dashes, but Word can turn that into a clean underline automatically. Once you've typed enough hyphens, press Enter. As soon as you do that, Word will convert those dashes into a solid underline across the line. That's it. You now have an underline without any text, and you didn't need to use shapes, tables, or special formatting tools. If the line doesn't look long enough, just undo it, add more hyphens, and press Enter again. You can repeat this as many times as needed until the underline fits your document perfectly. This works great for documents where you need a simple blank line that still looks neat and professional. You can also use this method in letters, school assignments, office documents, and any place where you need a space for someone to sign, fill in information, or write something by hand later. It's one of those small word tricks that can save time and make your document look much cleaner. So just remember the steps. Place your cursor, press Shift plus hyphen repeatedly, and then press Enter to create the underline. Quick, easy, and very handy. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more word tips, and I'll see you in the next one.